Hello, my name is Frode Hvaring. I'm the managing partner of Newind, which is based in Geneva and Singapore. They call me the HR doctor. We help companies to future-proof their HR organizations and staff. In fact, there are very few things that are really important when it comes to future leadership. One is the fact that you recognize in which situation you are today. Where in 2018, you have three generations in the workforce. You have a new generation which is totally different in terms of how they use technology and how they adopt new technologies from the previous ones. If you don't acknowledge this in the way you set up your company and you set up your own skills and learnings, then in fact you will have issues. So that is one thing leaders can do, is to learn how to manage different generations in the same day across tools of communication, decisions and learning. We use a leadership model which takes into account the person, if it's individual or if it's a collective way of thinking, and then it takes into account also the time, if it's about today or tomorrow. So we have four options, me today, me tomorrow, you today, or them today, let's say, and them tomorrow. And this model helps us to define in which areas a leader has strengths today and which are the areas where they have strengths for tomorrow. So we have different ways of finding out this, and we can help also leaders to find out which are their strengths in their companies, for instance, what is the strength of the management team in terms of future-proofing, in terms of readiness for change, in terms of innovation and so on. And it's rather powerful because it is independent of all these old American business school theories like the Maslow's and the MBTI and whatever you have, which are in fact obsolete today. So it's good to be forward-thinking and to have an agile and light theory that you can base your leadership model on, and that can help you then to grow in terms of talent, development and in terms of results. It's urgent for any leader of my generation to be highly exposed to the Y race, not the X race, because we are X. The Y race, the millennials, should spend a day or two with us. I had this experience, it's very enriching. A critical sense person with a good intelligence, a good experience, that is 20, 25 years old, and that follows you during a day or two and then tells you at the end of the day, with some courage, what you're doing wrong, what you could improve, what he or she doesn't understand about what you're doing, and proposals, for future growth for you as a leader, not them, because they know, I think, a couple of things that we don't know. And I think that is the most urgent thing for any leader to have done or to do if they haven't.